जिए जा रेडियो जिंदगी 1550 AM के साथ जिए जा।
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Go!
से हुए जुदा जब एक दूजे के लिए बने। तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी है मुश्किल दो लफ्जों में ये बयां ना हो पाए। सारी रात जगाए बस ख्याल तुम्हारा लम्हा लम्हा तड़पाए। ये तड़प के रही है मिट जाए फासले ये तेरे मेरे दरमियान जो है सारे।
एक दूजे से हुए जुदा जब एक दूजे के लिए बने।
तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी है मुश्किल दो लफ्जों में ये बयां ना हो पाए।
Good morning, Bay Area. Welcome to Zara Hatke. You are with your dost and host Sheetal. And today in our studios, we have a very special Zara Hatke guest who is not only known for his being an entrepreneur, wearing different hats, but at the same time, he has actually done different things. बहुत जरा हट के चीजें करी हैं उन्होंने. His name is Ajay Jain Bhattauria. Ajay is actually the author, speaker and entrepreneur. At the same time, he is also the owner of Global Business Consulting Services in the US, which is focused on strategy, management and consulting. Ajay is also involved in the city of Fremont and in the Bay Area by organizing, preserving, promoting and growing Indian culture, dances, music, Indian traditions and values in the younger generation by organizing events like Diwali Melas, Holi events, Janmashtami, Durga Puja, Rakhi, the Jagratas, Ganesh Chaturthi, Kite Festival and India Independence Day, and of recent India Republic Day and many more. So let's welcome Ajay Jain Bhattauria on Zara Hatke right after this song.
Run the track, run the track, run the track and nobody look at them say. Run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look at. Run the track, run the track, run the track and nobody look at them say. Run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look back.
Let's have some Ronak Shonak, let's have some party now. Let's have some roll.
Run the track and nobody look at them say.
Let's have some Dhol Dhalaka, let's call the Dholi now. Let's have some Waddi Tappa. Chalo chalo ji lakla chakalo, chalo chalo ji mauj manalo, chalo chalo ji nachlo galo, pakad kisi ki wrist. And we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist, and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist, and we twist.
Twist it up, wind it up,
Twist,
move it up,
twist, and we twist.
twist it up, wind it up, move it up.
Run the track, run the track, run the track and nobody look at them say. Run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look at. Run the track, run the track, run the track and nobody look at them say. Run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look at.
शिकद सी दुनिया चले फिर भी चले बल्ले बल्ले हो गई, हाँ हो गई. तो हंसी खुशी में गम की बुद्धि हवा में बुद्धि वो काटा लो खो गई, हाँ खो गई. छोड़ छोड़ सब रोने धोने, छोड़ छोड़ दुख आधे पोड़े. देखो देखो दिन सोने मोड़े, यही लाइफ की चीज. And we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist, and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist, and we twist.
Twist it up, wind it up, move it up.
And we twist.
Twist it up, wind it up, move it up.
Singing, dancing, hot romancing, lusty all the time. Any season, need no reason, for some pleasing, feeling fine. It's a party, everybody move your body, sway it, if you want it, get down on
Krishna Beauty Salon offers threading, waxing, hair care, facial skin care, nails, bridal hair, makeup, and also head and body massage.
We also offer full waxing for just $45. Krishna Beauty Salon, located at 40940 Fremont Boulevard, Fremont.
You can contact Nikki at 510-552-0272. Your beauty is our business. Krishna Beauty Salon.
Would you like to own property in India without the hassle of dealing with someone in India? Live NRI brings some of India's top developers like K. Raheja, Hirco, Irio, ATS, Vadva and Adani right to your doorstep. Invest in properties from these top developers from Gurgaon, Mumbai and Ahmedabad at the same rates that they are offered in India. At Live NRI, we believe in trust, expertise and hassle-free customer service. Call today at our US sales office 855-444-6747
or your local sales manager Sheetal Ori here in the Bay Area at 415-505-9592.
देवी और सजनों, कभी कभी बच्चे भी ऐसी बात करते हैं कि हैरत होती है। कल एक बच्चे की बातें सुनी और आप भी सुनी।
शेर वाइट होल व्हीट आटा फाइबर वाला हार्ट एंड स्ट्रोक फाउंडेशन और होल ग्रेन काउंसिल से अप्रूव। आपका हाजमा करे बढ़िया, कोलेस्ट्रॉल और वेट कंट्रोल में करे आपकी मदद और हार्ट डिजीज से आपको रखे सुरक्षित। शेर वाइट होल व्हीट आटा
फाइबर वाला। जाइए शेर वाइट होल व्हीट आटा लेकर आइए और बस वही खाइए।
शेर आटा घर लाओ।
Peacock Indian Restaurant, located in 6 convenient locations: San Jose, Santa Clara, Fremont, Mountain View, Dublin and Belmont. Best authentic Hyderabadi dum biryani, all-you-can-eat buffet with more than 30 items, 7 days a week with chef's special items and includes on-the-spot cooking on the weekends. First time introduced South Indian breakfast buffet here in the Bay Area in 2 of our locations, Mountain View and Fremont, on weekends. Visit us at peacockrestaurants.com and register to get 10% off coupon. Call 408 Peacock for your catering needs.
आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो जिंदगी 1550 AM। जिए जाओ।
जरा हटके में आज हम हैं एक ऐसे जरा हटके शख्स के साथ जिसके बारे में अभी हमने आपको बताया। अजय जैन भटौरिया, ही इज राइट हियर विद अस इन द स्टूडियो ऑफ रेडियो जिंदगी, बीइंग अ पार्टनर हियर. He is not available all the time because he does wear different hats and he does other things. We will be talking to him about that and he will be informing us कि वो क्या करते हैं बे एरिया कम्युनिटी के लिए और रेडियो जिंदगी के लिए और शायद अपनी फैमिली के लिए भी. So let's welcome, hi Ajay, welcome to Zara Hatke, and I won't say to the studios because you are here most of the time, but definitely on my show Zara Hatke.
Thank you, Sheetal. Thank you for having me on the show. You know, this is one of the most amazing shows I've been listening to for many weeks now. And thank you, Sheetal, for bringing this great show to the Bay Area.
Thanks so much, Ajay. Ajay, you know, listeners are, I mean, some of them definitely know you very well. And some of them, you know, they know you from a distance. और कुछ आपको आपके काम की वजह से जानते हैं. Tell us, first of all, you know, congratulations from Radio Zindagi and from me for winning the NRI Power Podium Award. Tell us what exactly and how did you win this award, and I mean, how did it all happen? Because all I knew was, you know, we were being sent the Facebook links to vote for you. So can you tell us about the procedure and about from all those thousands of people, how did you win from US? Not only from, I would say, you know, the West Coast, but from US, you were the candidate who was chosen.
So every year on January 9th, the government of India organizes the NRI Non-Residence Indians Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. And this day is also marked as the Mahatma Gandhi returning to India. And so this day is celebrated for last 11 years as a Pravasi Bharatiya Divas.
Okay.
And for last 2 years, there has been a contest which is being organized worldwide where all the NRIs can take part. And based on certain criteria and the number of votes they receive and the work and other you know criteria, they are 2 winners are selected. And thanks to you and all the Bay Area friends and you know family members and supporters who voted for me, because of your love and support and vote, I was able to win.
Okay.
And so that's where I got to win and got selected out of 13,000 applications out of 60 countries. And I was given an opportunity to meet with the Prime Minister of India, Finance Minister of India, Pranab Mukherjee, and spend some one-on-one time with him. I was also had the opportunity to spend some time with Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi, Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot ji, and Chief Minister of Jharkhand, Chief Minister of Kerala, and many other star dignitaries and leaders, inspiring leaders of India who are changing and bringing such a great change in India, which when we go there, I really fell in love. And I say, this is great which is happening, and we NRIs can work together to bring cohesive growth in India. And that's the opportunities which Narendra Modi ji, Chief Minister of Rajasthan Ashok Gehlot ji, and Pranab Mukherjee, they wanted us NRIs to take a active part in the development and of India now.
Yeah, I know. And you also, were representing, I think, sister city Fremont or something. Can you tell us about that?
So the city of Fremont is also a sister city of Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Yes.
So I had the chance to talk to the CM of Rajasthan, Ashok Gehlot ji, about the sister city program and to see how we can, build more bilateral relationship. And based on that, Ashok ji Gehlot, he said that he wanted to start a new program from this year onwards, where he'll be inviting 50 youths from all over different parts of the world over age 18 for an expense-paid 3 weeks trip to Rajasthan.
Wow.
His idea is that, we NRIs have been living in outside India, but his idea is that हमारे देश के साथ, हमारी मिट्टी के साथ हमें जुड़ना और जुड़े रहना चाहिए. जो आज के युवक है, जो यूथ हैं, we want to make sure that कि वो हमारे देश के साथ जुड़े रहे, हमारी संस्कृति, our culture, our values, our principles, they know about it, they feel it, and they get to know India closer by going to the villages, by going to the cities and see their problems as well as the advancement. So that's his program. So he said that as part of the sister city program, he would give preferences to Bay Area youths, and he would connect to them. So if you want to know more about this program, you can reach to me, and this program will also be offered through the city of Fremont once we have the final details formalized, and through I'm also going to discuss with the Rajasthan Association of North America, and that will be also offered through them.
Wow, I think, Ajay, that's such a great step. And not only this relates to India, but you being here, Fremont's gonna benefit from it. The youth, the children here, they're gonna benefit from it. And मैं बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ इस चीज से कि हमारे जो बच्चे हैं यहाँ, या the children here have to know about the main roots, the roots from where their families, their originality or their parents came from. So great job, Ajay. Okay, so Ajay, अब मेरे जरा हटके में थोड़ा सा मुझे कुछ म्यूजिकल जर्नी के बारे में बात करनी है, तो बताएं मुझे कि what kind of music do you like?
Obviously, I love the music which is which comes up on Radio Zindagi. And
no, definitely, yes, I know. But how about you? What kind of music are you interested in? Is it Bollywood, fusion?
It's mostly Bollywood music.
Okay.
And so I listen to all the Bollywood music, old and new songs. And yeah.
Okay, so would you like to request a song, your first request?
Yeah, definitely. This is from the movie Dil Wale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
Okay, one of my favorite movie.
Tujhe Dekha Tu Ye Jana Sanam. I want to dedicate this to my beautiful wife, Vinita.
She definitely is beautiful, no doubt about that. Great, so Vinita, here's a song for you from Ajay. Tujhe Dekha Tu Ye Jana Sanam.
Tujhe Dekha तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम, तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम. देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम। तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम। अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाएं हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाएं हम।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम। अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम। सब कुछ तेरा, जा तेरी सांसें तेरी।
मेरी आँखों में आंसू तेरे आ गए, मुस्कुराने लगे सारे गम।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम।
अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम। सामने बैठी रहे, मैं तुझे देखा करूं।
तूने आवाज भी देख मैं आ गई, प्यार से है बड़ी क्या पसंद।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम।
अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम।
तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम।
We are back on Zara Hatke, and today we have Ajay Jain Bhatoria, who is an author, speaker and entrepreneur living in the city of Fremont. We want to ask you, Ajay, you have been very active in the community here in Fremont and in the Bay Area. So can we know exactly what do you do not only for the South Asian community, but even for mainstream. So would you like to, just elaborate on that?
Yeah, Sheetal, thank you. I've been fortunate to be, living in Bay Area, first of all, where there are so many opportunities and to be able to contribute to so many different areas. And one of my prime area of focus was to, give a platform to the kids and youth, kids from age group 3 to 14 or 15, where they can showcase their talent and win, different awards and trophies. When I was young, I would participate in quiz competitions or science exhibitions or, debates, etc. And I still hold those trophies close to my heart. So when I see those kids winning these trophies and awards and their joy in their eyes, that's those most fulfilling moment. So that's what I started those kids and youth activities, around the year, which are happening now, and from Association of Kids and Youth Program and Radio Zindagi. And those are the activities which we want to bring in terms of science exhibition, Republic Day painting competition, public speaking competition, spelling bee competition, and many other activities, so that the kid can compete, participate, and get motivated and encouraged, and to move to next platform, next level, because they are the leaders of tomorrow. So that's one of the activities I'm very much involved and focused on.
Okay. And what else? I mean, this is something, the youth program which you started, I think, a year back now?
No, it has been now 6 years.
Wow.
I started these activities with doing these activities at Fremont Hindu Temple.
Okay.
And then
I remember that, yeah.
And
but on a grand scale, I think.
And then I want to take grand scale, exactly, you're right, a year back on the Lake Elizabeth.
Yes.
Because I wanted to involve, that's another area which I'm working on, is to bring all the diverse groups, not only Indian groups which have been working in the Bay Area, but other diverse group, unity among diversity. Fremont is such a diverse community, and not only Fremont but Bay Area. I want to bring all the different groups together, under one platform, so that we unite together and do bigger programs together and build the community. So one of the area of the focus is to build the community and inspire leaders, inspire people to take active role and participation in building the community, whether it's joining into the mainstream activities by taking roles and responsibilities in the city or in the community, or just through volunteer work.
Okay, no, great. And what about the political arena where you're so much involved in? We would like to know a bit about that too.
You know what? That's one of the area where the role I'm like to play right now is to take the key message of our leaders. Of our leaders in the city. Our city council member, to take the key messages from our elected officials and leaders, to the community, or leaders from our president or Bay Area, congressmen and senators, to take their messages to the community and bring a relationship between our leaders and the community people, because I felt that there's many times there's a disconnect between the leadership and the community people. So that's the key, the role I'm trying to play right now, to build that relationship so that our community people have easy access. For example, some of my friends had immigration issues 4 weeks back, and their wife was stuck in India and he was here for 6 months and he was not able to get that cleared. So I took him to the Congressman Pete Stark office and I worked with them, and within 2 weeks the Congress, the office got involved, etc. And we saw active result and they got united back.
That I totally believe. I think Congressman Pete Stark's office has been doing great job. I myself have witnessed it, so I think you're right on that.
Exactly.
Very good. Yeah.
Right. So many resources are available to the community. Many people in community are not aware of it. So that's my goal, to bring those to the community and unite and make them aware of it.
Great. Well, great job, Ajay. So on that note, a second request.
Yeah, the second request song is from the movie Veer. It's Surili Akhiyon Wali.
Is that again dedicated to Vinita, or maybe there's somebody out there?
No, it's always dedicated to Vinita.
Okay, and Vinita, you're a lucky woman. Here is the next request for you from Ajay, and listeners, enjoy the song from Veer.
सुरीली अखियों वाले, सुना है तेरी अखियों से बहती है नींदें और नींदों में सपने। कभी तो किनारे पे उतर मेरे सपनों से, आजा ज़मीं पे और मिल जा कहीं पे, मिल जा कहीं। मिल जा कहीं समय से परे, समय से परे। मिल जा कहीं तू भी अखियों से कभी मेरी अखियों की सुन। सुरीली अखियों वाले, सुना है तेरी अखियों से। जाने तू कहाँ है, उड़ती हवा पे तेरे पैरों के निशान देखे। जाने तू कहाँ है, उड़ती हवा पे तेरे पैरों के निशान देखे। ढूंढा है ज़मीन पे, छाना है फलक पे, सारे आसमां देखे। मिल जा कहीं समय से परे, समय से परे। मिल जा कहीं तू भी अखियों से कभी मेरी अखियों की सुन।
Every time I look into your eyes, I see my paradise. The stars are shining bright up in the sky, painting words of desire. Can this be real? Are you the one for me? You've captured my mind, my heart, my soul. Now I know you're the one I'm waiting for. Every time I look into your eyes, I see my paradise. The stars are shining bright up in the sky, painting words of desire.
ओट में छुपके देख रहे थे, चांद के पीछे पीछे थे। ओट में छुपके देख रहे थे, चांद के पीछे पीछे थे। सारा जहां देखा, देखा ना आँखों में, पलकों के नीचे थे। आ चल कहीं समय से परे, समय से परे। चल दे कहीं तू भी अखियों से कभी मेरी अखियों की सुन। सुरीली अखियों वाले, सुना है तेरी अखियों से। सुरीली अखियों वाले, सुना दे जरा अखियों से। सुरीली अखियों वाले, सुना दे जरा अखियों से।
Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself, says George Bernard Shaw.
आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है।
रेडियो जिंदगी 1550 AM.
We're back on Zara Hatke, and we're talking to Ajay, who has been born in the beautiful and colorful land of Ludnun in Rajasthan and grew up between the Bihu dances, Durga Puja in Guwahati, Assam. But he has been here. He's been doing great, fantastic work for the Bay Area, and he was talking about it just before we got a break. Let's talk to him more about his involvement in the community and the kind of events which he's organizing here. So Ajay, tell us what is in the pipeline? What are you about to do now? Any recent events?
Yeah, there is an event coming on January 29th, organized by Radio Zindagi and Association for Kids and Youth Program.
Okay.
This is going to be an amazing event. This event has many activities. One of them is the art contest for kids and youth from age 3 to 14.
Wow.
And then there's a public speaking competition from 3 to 14. And then the amazing Radio Zindagi team will be performing live for all the people who come there. And then we have the awards and recognition ceremony from the leaders, elected officials.
Okay.
And this event is supported by many organizations, including Sankarai Foundation, Gujarat Cultural Association, Tamil Manaram, Silicon Andhra, and many more. I have a long list.
Wow. Okay.
So please join. This is on January 29th at Fremont Teen Center, Lake Elizabeth from 9 a.m. Now, one of the things many people have asked, Ajay, why painting competition and public speaking competition?
Right.
How does that help? So one of the things I want to say is that, as in the words of Rajasthan Chief Minister, it is very important that hamare bachche, we connect to the roots where we come from and remain connected to it. And these activities, though it may sound like painting competition or public speaking competition, but these activities gives the kids an opportunity to think about, hey, what can I talk about India, or what can I draw about India, what can I paint about India? And those little things build a connection, a to their roots, and gives them at least 2 to 3 days to spend. The parents and me and my wife, we also spend time with my son, saying, okay, what are you going to speak about? What are you going to paint about? Think about it. So that connects them to the India. So with these activities, we try to connect the kids to the roots, our Sanskriti, our values, and that's one of the main aim.
Well, that's so nice, and I think very good thoughts behind it, Ajay. That's what really matters, and thanks to you and Vinita for bringing this to the Bay Area. And
and thanks to all the Radio Zindagi team members, Neeraj and Praveen, and all the Radio Zindagi, Rohit and Radio Zindagi team, and you who are organizing this event.
Thank you so much on that, Ajay. So another request, Ajay, which we can hear.
Yeah, since you mentioned Rajasthan, this song, Rangilo Maro Dholna.
Oh, that's a beautiful song.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's have Rangilo Maro Dholna now, listeners. Enjoy.
मुंबई की चाट,
चाट भवन,
दिल्ली के रैप्स,
चाट भवन,
माउथ वाटरिंग स्नैक्स,
चाट भवन,
घर जैसा खाना।
अरे चाट भवन,
उंगलियां चाटते रह जाओगे।
बाबा चाट भवन,
चाट भवन, प्योर वेजिटेरियन इंडियन क्विज़िन।
बस खाना ही नहीं, डिलिशियस मिठाई के लिए भी आएं। चाट भवन, लोकेटेड एट Maury Avenue, Fremont.
Open 7 days a week. Call Chaat Bhavan today for catering at 510-795-1100. 510-795-1100.
Detective Avnish, for any kind of investigation in India, call 9196-505 or 0163.
Are you planning to lower your mortgage rate by refinancing?
Yeah, but I don't know who to consult.
Don't worry, I have a perfect solution for you. Visit PanuMortgage.com or email info@PanuMortgage.com. Interest rates are at a historic low. Call Panu Mortgage at 408-593-6995 now. And not only this, on the web you can check out the latest interest rate Panu Mortgage offers on various loan programs for primary residence, second home and investment property.
आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो जिंदगी 1550 AM।
We are back on Zara Hatke with our Zara Hatke guest Ajay Jain Bhattacharya. Ajay, you have worked with PwC Consulting and IBM before you opened your own company, Corporation Global Business Consulting Services. Tell us about this company. What do you do? How do you, involve other people in this, and how do you help?
Yeah, Sheetal, and I've been so fortunate to be working with Pricewaterhouse and IBM for a few years, and then I started my own corporation. So primary area of focus of mine is to implement business processes in the area of human resources. I'm a human resource professional. Very few people know about it. So I'm a human resource professional, and designing and implementing systems and strategy, and doing management consulting with Fortune 50 companies like Walt Disney, Nestle, Pacific Gas and Electricity, and many more. With global implementation. So what I do is that design end-to-end process, right from hiring of an employee in the organization through transfer, reorganization, or termination and retirement. And all the processes and the systems which are involved at each step, I design and implement those systems with using SAP HR.
Wow.
And one of the key thing is that many people have asked, they wanted to make a career change, or how is the field in SAP. I would say that, on and off, but SAP HR has been growing. I was in Vegas last year. Every year there's a conference with SAP HR, and there were around 5,000 users or consultants, etc. 5,000 people in the MGM Grand Hall, and it was amazing to see how many many people worldwide SAP supports, and it's a daily life for people. So it's a great career if you want to think about it, or you are looking for a new change or looking for a new career. SAP is definitely a great opportunities for you.
And on that note, can we talk about you being an author of a book? And also we know that there's one more in the pipeline. So can we just hear about that?
Yeah. So I was lucky to be writing a book for SAP Press, and it was released in 60 countries worldwide, and it was on one of the best sellers on SAP Press for a long time. And I was lucky wherever I went to Brazil or other countries. I was had events for signing of the books. I felt good about it.
Okay. Well, I'm sure you're an author. So what is this new book now which is in the pipeline?
It has been delayed a little bit. I was supposed to release it last year. It's still in progress. A few chapters left. This is about life management tools. Often in life we are surrounded by negative energy, we are surrounded by negative thoughts or down emotions. And how do we use the power of human spirit? We have infinite and abundance power within ourselves. How do we relate to that power and unleash this power and use this power in our daily life so that we have abundance of positive energy which we can use for ourselves and release within our environment and to the people who are connected, so that we have constant flow of positive thoughts, and we are uptone and cheerful all the time. And once we reach that state of mind and spirit, we can do work 24 hours and not feel even tired or stressed. And so this book is going to talk about 101 tools or ways for life management tool, how to overcome stress, how to overcome negative thoughts, how to handle there are a lot of people who will try to bring down you in life, who have that kind of attitude or mental, who are stuck in that mental attitude, and how you deal with those kind of situation, and many more areas, how you deal with your bring out the kindness, the compassion and the love which you can spread around those values and those feelings. So this is about those.
Well, Ajay, I wish you all the best, and I know I'm going to be purchasing one too.
Thank you. That will be
along with a lot of other people here. So, Ajay, on that note, can we have a request from you? And before we wrap up, we want to thank you for giving your time on this show and taking time out to be here. And giving us so much of information. And once again, listeners, we want to request you to be there at the Republic Day celebrations at the Fremont Lake Elizabeth Center on 29th Sunday, which is 29 January. Jay, would you like to, just say anything to the community out there who are listening to you?
Sure. Thank you, Sheetal, first of all, having me on the show. Thank you so much. And to all my friends and listeners, all I can say is that dare to dream big, and it's all achievable. And please come and join us on January 29th, Republic Day celebration from 9 a.m. onwards at Fremont Teen Center, Lake Elizabeth. सुनते रहिए रेडियो जिंदगी जिए जा.
And can I have a song request?
Yeah, the song is Nanna Munna Rahi Hoon, Desh Ka Sipahi Hoon, and this song is dedicated to all my kids, friends, and my son Raj and Yash. Thank you.
Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, so we're gonna listen to Nanna Munna Rahi, and I will be back with yet another interesting guest next week. Till then, jiye ja.
नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. धूप में पसीना मैं बहाऊंगा जहाँ, हरे हरे खेत लहराएंगे वहाँ, धरती पे पापे न पाएंगे जन्म, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम, दहने बाएं थम. नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. नया है जमाना, मेरी नई है डगर, देश को बनाऊंगा मशीनों का नगर, भारत किसी से रहेगा नहीं कम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम, दहने बाएं थम. नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद.
राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। शांति की नगरी है मेरा ये वतन, सबको सिखाऊंगा मैं प्यार का चलन, दुनिया में गिरने ना दूंगा कहीं बम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम, दाहिने बाएं हम नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद।